Today I'm making vanilla cookies and cream cake. So we'll need an Oreo biscuit for that. And also we're using 300 grams of flour. So I'm going to sift my flour now. You can see the Oreo biscuit. This is it. So after sifting my flour, I'll add 1 teaspoon of powdered milk flavor, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. I'll sift that into the sifted flour. Next, I'll add 1 teaspoon of powdered preservative to the mix. Mix everything till everything is well combined. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of powdered nutmeg and a pinch of salt. I'll mix everything together. I'll set it aside. So next, I'm going to be creaming my butter and sugar. So I'm using 250 grams of So I just added my 200 grams of sugar. I'm going to cream until it's very creamy and doubles in size. So I'm going to scrape the edges into the bowl. So for this recipe, I'm using 4 eggs. So I'm going to break the eggs into the bowl. Next, we're going to whisk it until it becomes foamy. You can also use your whisk for this. I prefer using my fork. You can see how foamy it looks. You set it aside. Next, we're going to break that piece and set it aside. So I'll bring back our butter mixture. Add egg mixture. Mix together. Add some flour mixture. And mix to combine. Pour in the remaining egg mixture and mix together. Pour the flour mixture also and mix together. We're adding our buttermilk now. We'll also mix together. I'm adding 2 cups full of vanilla extract. Just added 2 cups full of vanilla flavor. 1 cup full of milk flavor. Mix to combine. I'll pour in the remaining buttermilk and mix together. So I'm adding 2 cups full of scone. That's with the powder preservative I added before, just to preserve the cake. So I'll mix to combine. Next, I'm adding the Oreo biscuits into the batter. So if you are using more flour and butter, you can use 2 or 3 sachets of Oreo biscuits. Since we are using just 300 grams of flour, so that's why I'm using just 1 sachet. So I don't want it too much on it. I'm going to be scraping the edges inside. Okay, so this is the consistency we've got. Okay. Next, we're going to pour it into our greased pan. So meanwhile, you have to preheat your oven 10 minutes prior to when you are going to bake the cake. And we're baking this cake for 45 minutes. Make sure to tap it on your counter so as to release any air bubbles from it. And here's our vanilla cookies and cream cake. So let's turn it over, bring it out from the pan and cut into it and see what it looks like inside. So I got carried away and my cake almost got burnt. We're still going to cut it and see what it looks like inside. You can see, looks so yummy. The aroma is everywhere. Thanks for watching. Bye.